I am discussing about various types of colloids based upon their interactions between dispersed phase and dispersed medium. So dispersed phase and dispersed medium we will discuss either gaseous nature or liquid nature or solid in nature. Based upon interaction there are classified into three types: lyophilic colloids, lyophobic colloids and association colloids. Lyo means solvent, philic means loving, phobic means hating. First I will discuss about lyophilic colloids. Lyophilic colloids are lyo means solvent, philic means solvent loving systems. In solvent loving systems contains dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Dispersed phase molecules are having higher interaction with dispersed mediums, so they are having stronger interactions, though they are called as intrinsic colloids. So also they are having higher interactions. They are stable in nature. Each solute particles are surrounded by a solvent sheet, so they are stable in nature. Most of the dispersed phase molecules contains organic substances. So these type of colloidal solutions are easily prepared. Next one, these solutions are easily dispersion medium can be easily removed from these solutions, so they are called as reversible solutions. Next, these solutions are easily prepared. When coming to viscosity, they are having dispersed phase is having higher than dispersion medium. Surface tension is having lower than surface tension. Dispersed phase is having lower surface tension when compared to dispersion medium. By the addition of small amount of electrolytes, these lyophilic colloids are stable. When excess amount of electrolytes can be added, the solvent sheet can be removed, so they are unstable. So excess amount of electrolytes can be causes desolvation. Next, coming to second type of colloids, there are lyophobic colloids. There are solvent hating colloids. They are having lesser interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Most commonly dispersed phase molecules are inorganic molecules, so they are called as extrinsic colloids. So these type of colloids are not prepared by ordinary methods. There are special type of methods can be used. In this colloids, dispersion medium cannot be recovered, so they are called as irreversible colloids. So next, coming to viscosity, they are having equal viscosity to the dispersion medium. Next, surface tension, they are having equal surface tension to the dispersion medium. Next one, by the effect of electrolytes, these solutions are unstable. By the addition of excess amount of electrolyte, they causes salting out. Next, another third type of colloids are association colloids. These association colloids are formed by the aggregation of atoms or molecules present in a solution. These solutions are prepared by using electrolytes. So these are having